Hi, my name is Angela and I'm making a video about doing makeup because I've been watching videos about how to do makeup so that you can do what I do and look just as beautiful as me. I'm trying to be a girl, that's why I'm doing this. As you can see, I'm wearing my pajamas. They're very girl-like pajamas, like a girl would wear. I have my hair in a ponytail. Actually, this is how I always wear my hair. This is actually like my style. If you're interested in what I use for my hair, I use these Scoonchy No Damage store. I have them all over my house. I like to put them in my pockets in case I ever need them. My bra, if I don't have any pockets. I forget to take them out and they get all over the washer, they get all over the house. They drive my husband crazy, but I always have them on hand. That's what I use for my hair. People tell me I have nice skin. Interested in my skincare routine. Like I had this like scratch on my head. I hit my head really this weekend. I put cream on it. This is cream that I made. I made it out of cream. I'll put that on there by the wedding this weekend that I'm in. That's the whole reason why I'm learning how to do makeup, so that I'm not offensive when I'm standing up on the maids. Also, I have this expired antibiotic thing. I like to put that on the spot where my cat scratches me because it's starting to look a little bit unhappy and I don't want it to get worse. So I don't know if it helps or not, but I have it and I want to do everything I can. So there, that's my beauty routine. My Facebook friends were really super helpful. So I'm going to apply the techniques that I learned. First off, I'm going to start by priming my eye. They say you have to prime your eye. I didn't watch any of these videos before I went and spent a bunch of money on makeup, so I'm going to use what I have. I have this foundation from Costco. It was the only color they had, so this is what I got. I'm going to put it on and put it around my eye, and I'm just using my fingers, just like that. Oh, that's great. Good job. See? I'll put it on my face because I have more. As soon as I put all this on, I'm going to shower and take it off because I'm sure it's going to look amazing. I have some concealer. I actually found this. I got it as a sample online probably about 3 years ago. It's called, and I'll just use my finger. I don't know if this is the right color, but it's what I have. So we're just going to try it. This is supposed to create a nice smooth canvas so that my makeup, and that's my cat. She's so precious. She loves to cuddle me on this side of my body, and when I don't, the love of my life and my soulmate. She's agreeing with me. Up on my eye. Concealer on my eye. I bought a whole bunch of makeup. Yeah, something different. And there's all these different colors. I'm probably just going to use one of them for the rest of my life. And they say to use taupey, which I thought sounded funny. I always thought it was taupe, but I guess I'm wrong. So I'm going to take whatever color. They're not labeled. And I'm going to use a brush. It has a fluffy tip. And then, I don't know what color I use. I don't know, this, I don't remember what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to use the lighter color first as my base. So I'm going to do, and then they said to tap it. Don't blow on it, because that's unhygienic, because you can see I obviously care about that. And then I'm going to put it on my eye. See, so far you see no difference in how I look at all. That's kind of the point of makeup. So you look beautiful without looking like you didn't do anything. Okay, so now I have my base on. Now I'm going to use one of the taupey colors, whatever looks the most like taupey. And because I have what I think are hooded eyes, I don't know if I actually do. I've never been diagnosed. But just from the videos, I think I have the hooded eyes. Like you can't really see the crease. Like everything's gonna hang down. So I have to bring the crease up. And my eyes look very different. This one's very dark and this one's very not as dark. And I think I like the not as dark one, but I don't know, I'm kind of gonna go with the different sides, different colors. So I put a little bit of a bringing my eye up, and I actually just colored on the side of my face. I'm gonna use a different brush. It's called Blending. It's so old, it's faded out. About 2 years ago, I threw out all my makeup, but I didn't throw out my brushes, and I'm glad because they're expensive. I'm gonna use the lightest shade because they say to use the lightest shade. I'm gonna dab my brush in it, and I'm gonna tap, tap, tap. And then I'm gonna put it on the inside of my eye because this is supposed to make it brighter. I said put it on the inside. And then some of them said put it on the brow bone, but some of them didn't. So I thought it sounded kind of fun. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll cover up that cat scratch. And then there I have it up. And now you blend. And I don't know what kind of brush to use to blend. I'm gonna use the fan brush. I think this looks, I don't know if this is, I haven't seen this in a video, but I think it looks nice. So I'm actually doing already much better than I was yesterday. I felt pretty defeated and depressed, like I didn't know how to be a girl. I don't know how to do my hair, I don't know how to do my makeup, but who cares? Still turned out okay in life. It doesn't look awful. So, you can barely even see that I have makeup on after all that. Now we're gonna do eyebrows. I used to be really good at eyebrows because I put them in every day because I was told my eyebrows were clear and I didn't have any. So I would always draw them, and I actually lost my favorite eyebrow brush. I know I didn't throw it away because I feel like it's like my prized possession, is my secret weapon. I have no idea where it is. I seriously searched the whole house. But I have this mini brow brush that I got, Paul Christian. This is one that I actually splurged on because I know that eyebrows are like the thing that I know I'm gonna need forever for sure. And tap, 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 tap. And then color in those eyebrows. They say to color in all the sparse spots, which is my whole entire eyebrow. So I'm just coloring the whole thing in. It's kind of dark for me. I'm also not used to seeing myself with eyebrows, so I don't know what's appropriate and what's not. But I see some people have some pretty crazy eyebrows, so I'm sure I'm fine. And this light is really crappy, so it's really hard to see. It's like a shadow where I think my eyebrow is, but I'm pretty sure it actually isn't. I'm gonna blend them again because they look kind of harsh. And I have a brow lash groomer. It's probably not the brush I'm supposed to use to blend. I'm gonna use it anyway because I feel like it. I'm just learning. Eyebrows. Eyeliner. CoverGirl Liqualine Blast. I don't know what color. I got it on clearance at Target. And they said dot it in as close as you can to the lash line. It's all over the place. Oh my gosh. That one eye line. I feel like you can't even tell with this light. I have eyeliner on now. Not too much, not too little. And I'm gonna do mascara. Eyelash curlers freak me out, so I'm never gonna touch one. I bought one once and it was a total waste of money. Somebody said you can use a card as an eyelash curler, and I'm gonna use the same thing that I use for my hair ties. And they said if you put it on and then you I'm not gonna use that anymore. Oh crap. Put some on the bottom. I guess I'm supposed to wiggle it instead of putting it on. But now I just got it all over my eyeballs. Kind of annoying. Well, this looks better than it did yesterday. Kind of looks like I'm not wearing any makeup very much, which is perfect for me because I prefer wearing none. But there, ta-da! That's my video in less than 50 minutes. Thanks for watching!